How to get 30% off Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Uber Eats coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $15 off, $25 off, 10% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you want to get the code for it. Or you might find the option of continue to this offer. You just have to click on that option. You'll be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account, make your order, and toss it to checkout. While you check out, the offer will be automatically applied to your order. And with that, you're going to get the discount. In the case you find the code, you can copy the code and head towards the website, log into your account, make your order, and toss it to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also check out this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. So this way you can easily get 30% off Uber Eats coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.